So on my screen it says approved, and what this means is that my request for the payment of my affiliate Fiverr affiliate earnings has been approved by Fiverr. Right now, this is the first step. I'm going to be showing you guys in this video exactly what you need to do to actually get paid by Fiverr. Because Fiverr pays you at the beginning of every month, once that payment has been made on the 1st of next month, it is going to change from approved to paid, just like it is showing on my screen right now, guys. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is to show you step by step how you can request for your Fiverr affiliate earning and actually get approved for payment. A lot of you guys have said, Gerald, when I apply for my affiliate earnings on Fiverr, I do not get paid. It gets declined. Right? I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it right. There's something you're doing wrong, and that is what I'm going to be showing you how to correct it in this video. So it's important that you watch the video from beginning to the very end, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. Now, before I take you to my screen and walk you guys through how to actually get this thing done, it's important that you smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and most importantly, turn on the notification button, so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification, right? So that's it, guys. Let's go to my screen right now and let me show you exactly how to withdraw your Fiverr affiliate earnings right here, right now, guys.
Okay, so this is my Fiverr affiliate account, yeah? So I'm just going to come here and go straight to login, right? To show you guys exactly how to withdraw from Fiverr affiliate. You're going to be seeing me do it right now. Okay, so this is loading up, and let's just give it a while. Okay. So this is my username and this is my password. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to hit login here. This is a fresh Fiverr affiliate account that I created. So okay, this is loading up. So if you look at my account, I'm logged in right now, yeah. And if you look at this, you're going to see that I've had 71 registrations, 356 clicks, and 268 unique clicks, and all of that, right? So this is just for this month. Today is the 15th, so for the 1st to the 15th of this month, this is what it is. So this is the balance I have right here, $245. I'm going to click on request payment, right? I'm going to click on request payment, and this is loading up, right? So it says you'll be able to claim your payment at the beginning of next month. For example, if you request your payment in January, you'll receive it in beginning of February, right? $245 for commissions generated until August 31st. When creating your own invoice, make sure you fill out blah blah blah. So that means I'm going to be getting this money on the 1st, right, of 1st of October, which is next month, right? So I'm going to go to payments. Make sure you fill your payment request details. I'm going to go to payments, right? So it says okay, I selected Payoneer here, payment address and all of that. So I'm going to edit this and use PayPal instead. So I'm going to come here and select PayPal, right? Account type private. This is not applicable. I'm going to put in my PayPal email address here, right? Payment address 20. I'm going to put in my address here. I'm going to put in my address here, payment address, everything here. I'm going to hit save, right? I'm going to put in my password here to continue. I'm going to hit continue. It says details updated successfully, right? So I'm going to come here now and hit on request payment and click request payment, right? Okay, so this is loading up. Okay, beautiful. So it says write your comment here. $245. Upload your invoice and everything. Auto generate. I'm going to say auto generate, right? So write your comments right here. Anything you want to tell them, you can put it right here. So what I'm going to do right now is to provide how I promoted Fiverr, right, to actually make this money. So I'm going to put the links to the YouTube videos that I made, the articles I wrote, stuff like that. I'm going to put all of that into this box, and once I'm done, I'm going to hit on request payment. So let me go and find those links right now. So I've put in my stuff here. So I'm going to hit request payment. I click on request payment, and this is loading up. Okay, beautiful. It says payment request was sent successfully. So this is it right here. It says pending, right? This is the amount I'm requesting. This is my country information and everything, right? So this is my comment. My manager's comment is going to come here where it says approved or whatever it is, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what the comment is as soon as this has been reviewed. approved and the decision has been made to actually pay me this money. Now, for this, most times you only encounter this when you are making your first withdrawal, because Fiverr wants to actually make sure that you are not doing what you shouldn't be doing, right?
So this is the next day, yeah. So what I'm going to do right now is to log into my Fiverr affiliate account. So this is my username and my password. I'm going to hit sign in here right now, and this is logging me in. So I'm just going to give it a while, and we're almost there, and we're logged in, right? So everything remains the same. So what I'm going to do right now is to come back here to payments. I come back to payments right here, and I go to payment request. But before that, I want to encourage you guys, if you've not done that already, to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button, so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly, right? And you can also feel free to my other videos on this channel, right? Because I make videos around making money online, and what I do is that I try things how they work, then I come here and show you practical ways that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. So that's it, guys. Let's continue. So I'm just going to come here and go to payment request, click on payment request, and guess what, guys? It says approved, right? It means that this has been approved, and like I said earlier, they pay on the 1st of the next month. So right, so today is the requested date was on the 15th of September, 2022. So on the 1st of October, this money is going to be paid straight into my PayPal account. And like I explained, there are a few options that you have to actually get your money out. So if you come here to account details, right, and go to payment details, it is not just PayPal. You can go to edit, and you can use Payoneer as an option. You can use Wire or ACH transfer as another option, right? So these are all the options that you have to withdraw your money. I feel comfortable using Payoneer because I have a working using PayPal because I have a working PayPal account, right? So that is why I use my PayPal. But do not let PayPal limit you. You can use your Payoneer account, right? Put in your Payoneer ID, your Payoneer username. You can just say nil, right? If you don't have the, just say nil. And account type, select either company or private and all of that, and that's all you need to do. Or you can use your wire transfer to put your bank information right here. Account type private, most likely. Account beneficiary, which is your name, your account number, the name of the bank, the bank branch, the bank country, the bank city, your SWIFT code, which you can get by googling the SWIFT code of your bank, IBAN number, this is for people in Europe only, ABA, people in the US only, and bank correspondent, right? This is just comments, basically, that's what it means, right? So you can go to Payoneer and use your Payoneer bank information, your USD account on Payoneer, and fill it right here, right? Or your Euro account and fill it right here, or your pounds account and fill it right here, and that money gets straight into your Payoneer account anyways, right? Or you can use your local bank information right here, whichever you prefer is completely fine. So this is exactly what you need to do. Now the most important aspect of this whole thing is let's go back to payment request, is this particular place, right? You have to tell them exactly where you promoted, because they will investigate, especially for first time payments. They will investigate what you did to make sure that you are not doing the wrong thing, you're not trying to scam them, right? So they have investigated and they found out that I did the right thing using my channel, my YouTube channel, right? And that is why this was approved without questions at all. For some of you, you're going to be seeing declined, when you don't provide more information, or the manager will come and say, provide more information on how you promoted Fiverr and all of that. They want to know exactly what you did to make sure that you're doing the right thing, and that is why a lot of you guys get declined. So if you want to know how to make money with Fiverr affiliates, right, go ahead and click the first link in this video description, right? Once you click on that link, it's going to take you to my course, the Affiliate Marketing Bootcamp with Gerald, where I taught you guys in details how to actually set up an account on Fiverr affiliate and the things that you can do to make instant money with Fiverr affiliate. So that's it, guys. I want to thank you again for watching the video from beginning to the very end. And until I see you in my next video, guys, keep winning. And don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.